everybody, it's Emerald here, and as you guys can tell, yeah, this little booger is 3 weeks old today, on July 12th, and, let me see if I can get her, yeah, she's asleep. Kinda. She's milk drunk. But yeah. I had her June 21st. Riptide was there. We haven't vlogged since then because of complications. She likes to sleep 3 to 4 hours at night, sometimes 5. And, in between those times, we like to get our sleep. But, yeah. She was 6 pounds, 8 ounces, which is weird because we were expecting a 7.5 to 8 pound baby. But she's got a lot of hair. Yes, she does. Look at all that hair. And it's not going to fall out. No, it's not. No matter what people say, it's not going to fall out. Absolutely not. Did you just smile for the camera? Yeah. Well, you guys saw a little bit of that smile. Yeah. So, our lives are much different now. But our family is much bigger. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. Mama missed a smile. Say hi. No? Oh well. Mama tried. You say bye. There we go. Bye.